It's Caribbean Ducks, and I'm glad you can join me. This one is for all my subscribers and viewers. This is our Caribbean style hot cocoa for those cold days, dealing with the snow. Here's something to warm up your soul. We're doing it the old-fashioned way, like Grandma did it in Guyana or Trinidad or anywhere else in the Caribbean. These are the ingredients that I'm using. A large stick of cinnamon, nutmeg, star anise, cardamom, and a couple of cloves. Some carnation milk, vanilla extract, and whole milk. This is the star of the show, our cocoa in the raw. We're gonna start by heating up our milk. And we're gonna go in with a half a can of carnation milk, our stick of cinnamon, our star anise, and a few cardamoms, about 4, and a couple of cloves. And now we're gonna grate our nutmeg, about 1/4 of a nut. We're gonna grate finely. Now this is the way we did it back in the days, way back when I visited the country in Guyana. My aunt used to make this from fresh cow milk, and she made her own cocoa because she had lived on a farm, and they farm and grow their own produce. And she had cocoa from her farm, and she would make her cocoa paste and make it into balls. And then we would have hot cocoa in the morning. So we're gonna grate about 1/2 of this cocoa ball. And we're gonna allow it to steep and simmer in the milk. Yes, we're making this rich, guys. We're not sparing anything. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're gonna bring this up to a boil and allow it to simmer and dissolve all these ingredients. So it's gonna be nice and rich. This is just what the doctor ordered to warm you up on those cold nights. So as you can see here, it's starting to raise. The foam is raising on the milk. And this is the time we're gonna turn the heat down and let it cook with the residual heat. And we're gonna sweeten with 1/4 cup of Demerara Gold. Mix it well, let everything dissolve. Keep it on very low heat. Cover it down, turn the heat off, let it simmer and cool down. Then you're ready to pour it out and enjoy yourself a nice hot cup of cocoa made from scratch, just the way we did it back home. Sweet and delicious. This is it, our hot cocoa. Nice hot cup of cocoa for all you family and friends out there that's facing the cold up north and dealing with the snow. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoy a hot cup of cocoa with me. Cheers. Delicious.